Good morning, children. Welcome back to ICAN Physics. Now, in this class, we are going to solve the ninth problem from the third lesson. Let's enjoy the class. Determine the current in each branch of the network shown in figure. Okay. So, it is the Wheatstone's bridge. Okay. Now, we are going to see the very important step. First one, from the battery, the current is flowing. Now the current is taken as I. When I is the current, comes to the junction F, it is just to turn, so the same current I is flowing. When the current comes to A, the junction A, it is splits into two. Now the current flowing through the arm A to B is taken as I1. So the remaining current is flowing in the arm A to D. So it can be taken as I minus I1. Now I1 is the current, comes to the junction B. It is split into two. Now it can be taken as I2. So the remaining current is flowing in the arm B to C. That is I1 minus I2. At the same time, I minus I1 is the current, comes to the junction D. The I2 is the current, comes to the junction D, and it joins, then flow to D to C. So, I minus I1 plus I2. Okay. So, this is very important step. Okay. Now, we are going for A, B, D, A. Okay. A, B, D, A. So, closed path. Okay. So, it's based on Kirchhoff's second law. Algebraic sum of product of current and resistance in each part of any closed circuit is equal to algebraic sum of EMF in that closed circuits. So, by using second law, we are going to solve this problem. Okay. Okay. A to B. Current into resistance. So 10 I1. B to D. 5 into I2. 5 into I2. D to A. Now I am moving from D to A, but the current direction is in opposite direction. So it's minus 5 into I minus I1. 5 into I minus I1. So, in this closed circuit, there is no batteries involved. So, that is equal to 0. Now, all the terms are multiples of 5. So, it is divided by 5. Okay. So, 2 5s are 10. 1 5 is 5. 1 5 is 5. Okay. Now, we can modify. So, 2 into I1, 2 I1. 1 into I2, I2, minus 1 into I, minus I, minus into minus, plus 1 into I1, I1, equal to 0. Okay. Now, I1 plus 2 I1. So, 3 I1 plus I2. The minus I goes to the right side as plus I. Now, it's taken as equation number 1. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubts? No doubts. Okay. Now, B, C, D, B. Okay. So, in the closed circuit, B, C, D, B. Okay. So, B to C. 5 into I1 minus I2. 5 into I1 minus I2. C to D. Now, I am moving from C to D, but the direction of current is from D to C. So, it's minus 10 into I minus I1 plus I2 plus I2. Next, D to B. Now, I am moving from D to B, but the current is flowing from B to D. So, it's in opposite direction. So, minus 5 into I2, that is equal to 0. Why? Because in this closed circuit, there is no batteries involved. So once again, look at the equation. All the terms are multiples of 5. So it is divided by 5. So 1 5 is 5. Okay. I1 minus I2. 2 5s are 10. I minus I1 plus I2. My 1 5 is 5. 1 into I2 equal to 0. Now 1 into I1 minus 1 into I2 minus 2 into 2I minus into minus plus. So 2 into I1 minus into plus minus 2 into I2 2I2 minus I2 equal to 0. Now keep all the terms in the same. So I1 plus 2I1. So it becomes 3I1. 3I1. Okay. I2 minus I2 minus I. So minus 4I2. Okay. Now we are having minus 2I. The minus 2I goes to the right side as plus 2I. Now it's taken as equation number 2. Let's look at equation number 1 and 2. Here we are having 3I1. Here also we are having 3I1. So I want to subtract 1 minus 2. So 3I1 plus I2 equal to I. Here we are having 3I1 minus 4I2 equal to 2I. Okay. So now we are going to subtract. So we have to change the sign. So here we are having plus 3I1. Here we are having minus 3I1. So getting cancelled. So I2 plus 4I2. It becomes 5I2. 2I plus I. So minus I. Okay. Or otherwise I equal to minus 5I2. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubts? No doubt. Now substitute the value of I in equation number 1. So substitute. It can be taken as 3. So substitute 3 in 1. Okay. So 3I1 plus I2 equal to I. So what is the value of I? Minus 5I2. So minus 5I2. So the plus I2 goes to the right side as minus. So 3I1 equal to minus 5I2 minus I2. So 3I1 equal to. So minus. So minus 6I2. So 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. So I1 equal to minus 2I2. Now it's taken as equation number 4. Okay. So now I am going for A, B, C, E, F, A in that closed circle. So A, B, C, E, F, A. Okay. So A to B, 10 into I1. So 10 I1. B to C, 5 into I1 minus I2. So 5 into I1 minus I2. Okay. Now E to F, 10 into I. Okay. So plus 10 I. Okay. Now reached A. In that we are having battery of 10 volt. So equal to 10. Now look at all the terms. All the terms are multiples of 5. So it is divided by 5. So 2 5s are 10. 2I1. 1 5 is 5. Okay. So 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. So 2I1 plus 1 into I1. 1 into minus I2 plus 2I equal to 2. Okay. Now I1 plus 2I1. 3I1 minus I2 plus 2I equal to 2. Now it's taken as equation number 5. Okay. Now we can substitute the value of I. So what is the value of I? Minus 5I2. Okay. So 3I1 minus I2 plus 2 into I. So what is the value of I? Minus 5I2. So minus 5I2 equal to 2. Now here also we calculate the value of I1. So what is the value of I1? Minus 2I2. So here for instead of I1, I can substitute minus 2I2. Okay. Now 2 3s are 6. So 6I2. Here minus I2. 2 5s are 10. 10I2 equal to 2. Minus 10I2 minus I2 minus 6I2. So totally we are having minus 17I2 equal to 2. So I2 equal to minus 2 by 17. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubts? No doubts. Okay. So by using that, we can calculate the value of I1. So the value of I1 equal to minus 2 into I2. So minus 2 into I2, minus 2 by 17. So minus into minus plus 4 by 17. This much of ampere. Then we can calculate the value of I. Okay. So I equal to minus 5I2. So minus 5 into I2 minus 2 by 17. So minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10. So 10 by 17 ampere. Okay. But what is the question? Calculate the current or determine the current in each branch. Okay. So in the branch AB, what is the value of current? I1. Okay. So in the arm AB, the current flows is I1, that is equal to 4 by 17 ampere. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubts? No doubts. Now B to D, I2 is the current. So in the arm B to D, I2 is the current. Now what is the value of I2? Minus 2 by 17. Minus 2 by 17. Okay. Now E to F. I is the current. Okay. So in the arm E to F, I is the current. The value of I is 10 by 17. 10 by 17. This much of ampere. Okay. Do you get it now? Right. Fine. Now I am going for B to C. So what is B to C? I1 minus I2. So B to C, the current is I1 minus I2. That is I1. So 4 by 17 minus I2 minus 2 by 17. Minus becomes plus. So 4 plus 2, 6. 6 by 17 ampere. B to C. Okay. Now A to D. I minus I1. A to D. That is I minus I1. I minus I1. The value of I is 10 by 17. 10 by 17 minus I1 4 by 17. 4 by 17. So 10 minus 4, 6. So 6 by 17 ampere. Then finally we can go to C to D. I minus I1 plus I2. So C to D. That is I minus I1 plus I2. I. So what is the value of I? 10 by 17. 10 by 17 minus I1 4 by 17. 4 by 17 plus I2 minus 2 by 17. Minus 2 by 17. So 10 minus 4, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. So 4 by 17 ampere. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubts? Not doubts.